Thutha wa WUICI na uthukangio ria wahanikire hindi ya MURURUNGANO kiumia kihituku, THITOO-INI cia bondi ya IRIO NYUMU ya NCPB KAUNTIINI ya Meru, kuria muthia MAKIRIA MAKUNIA 7,000 ma BATARAITHA maiyirwo, riu honge cia ugitiri ni iria ihetie njara na guikia ngono Ekuirwo ANANA aria marakuruhanio na giko giki.
Nobody expected such a turnout, and our investigation revealed that the neighboring sub-counties ambao wamekaribia Maua walisimamisha maandamano yao na wapangaji wakasikizana walete maandamano yao Maua town.
Kuringana na honge cia ugitiri ANANA ya maikitio ngono na makunia mabataraitha ino miciini yao, kuria mungororio urathie na mbere niguo kumenya no wehiuhiri na bataraitha ino.
Nasikia kuna watu wanasema there was police in action kidogo hapo kusukumana na watu, but I can tell you the crowd that was there as a police county commander was overwhelming.
Alex Wasike niwe DCI mwena wa Maua agitariria ati aicia ya mahuthirire nduthi na ngari muthemba wa Probox gukua makunia maya ma bataraitha, undu uria wamahotithirie gukua muigana munene wa bataraitha kwiri inde cia muigana utoikaini nacio cia thukangirio thutha wa wabici ya NCPB ya guku kumudio mwaki.
We have 4 items which were used in the conveyance of the stolen property, the stolen fertilizer. These are a motor vehicle, a Probox.
Na kuigoti-ini ria KIAMBU Ekuirwo atatu ni makinyitio MBAU-INI magikuruhanio na guthukangio na WUICI mwena wa Gikuyu, umwe wao Kevin Gikunyi-Nyathira agikuruhanio na gukorwo na mucinga uria waiyetwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Dagoretti iria yaiyirwo na kumudio mwaki. Na kuigoti-ini ria Kibra guku Nairobi ateteri atatu ihoto cia umundu ni marekereirio na mbele ya ciringi 200,000 o mundu kuria mathitwo gwikinyagia ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Muthaiga maita meri hario kiumia.
It is hereby ordered that the respondents be released on cash bail of 200,000 with the contact, that the respondents report to the investigating officer at Muthaiga Police Station every Mondays and Thursdays at 9 a.m. to facilitate the conduct of the investigations, that the respondents desist from utterances and activities akin to those under the subject investigations.
Hari Nyakame TV, Dr. Bataru wa Mwagi.